Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI art filter on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the AI art filter takes your photo and morphs it into abstract art. So let me show you how to find it and how to use this effect. So to find this AI art effect, first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Now you want to tap on effects here at the bottom left. Here you want to do a search. Search for AI art. In the search results, you're looking for this icon here, AI. Tap on it. Once you do this, it'll basically ask you to select a photo so that AI can process it. So here from the bottom, select your photo from your library. So here I'll create this photo. Tap on the record button. Once you do that, then tap on create and that will start to process your video. So I'll show you how it works. So I'll tap on record, then I'll tap on create. This will now process the image and will basically morph it into an art. And as you can see, it has created an artwork of this image. Now, once you're happy, go ahead and post that video to TikTok. And that is how to use the AI art effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.